Hello, Namaste guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make portrait outline using grid method. So without any further ado, let's get started. Make grids on the reference photo. You can make use of Photoshop or any mobile application for this purpose, or you can get a printout of the photo and make grids on them manually. Now get these grids onto the paper. The grids I am going to make here is of 2 cm by 2 cm. I usually make my grids of this size because I find this size more convenient. You can even make use of diagonal grids for more accuracy, but some people might get confused with so many lines. So yeah, see what's more convenient for you and then do accordingly. So now the grids are ready. I usually tend to number the grids such that I identify the square I am drawing in. Now it's the time to draw the outlines, and this is the part that requires more observation skills and judgment. Try to focus on individual boxes of the grid and keep looking at the reference. Treat each box as a separate joint. You can mark the start and end point in each box to make your work easy. Look how different parts of the image come in contact with the grid lines and then mark them on the paper. This is the most crucial part of any drawing. No matter how good you are at shading or rendering the portrait, the drawing will never look good if the proportions are not right. So take your time with this stage. So here I am using a light graphite pencil so that I can erase anything if I make any mistakes. Don't go into details, but draw the major sections like the outline of the face and hair to make the later stages of the drawing easy. Now start detailing out the features, and don't worry, it doesn't need to look very neat. I know some might find it difficult at start, like you might not get the outlines or the features perfectly, but only by practice you can get better. It's a reliable way to start. So just keep practicing more. Once you're done with the basic outline, now you can start doing the other details. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, please like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell button so that you're the first one to get all the updates from me. I will be back with the next stage. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.